Want to find out how to convert this into this? Coming up, we're going to discuss the all-new Crypto.com Visa card. But first, let's spin that intro. It is an exciting day today. Today, crypto becomes real. Crypto becomes part of society. Crypto meets Visa. Here she is, beautiful packaging, class act from Crypto.com. I received this in the mail today. This came out of Jacksonville, Florida. I applied for my Crypto.com Visa credit card. Basically, this credit card will be bridging the gap between fiat, the US dollar, or whatever your native currency is, into cryptocurrency, and vice versa. We'll be able to easily transition from cryptocurrency into fiat for our payments for services and goods. Okay, so basically this card is very exciting because up to this point, most people think of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as this digital hyperspace out there in the interwebs asset, and it only is tangible or fungible to those in the know on how to quickly convert it. Well, there's no more of that guessing. All you have to do is use the Visa card and it will instantly change the Bitcoin or whichever currency that you have in there into fiat. This is how you will make real life payments. It'll make real life for goods and services. This is the gap bridge that we've been needing to make crypto a real thing. So here's the beautiful contents. We've got a thank you card, which I'll read in a minute. We've got the very nicely packaged with easy slide out Crypto.com Visa card. There it is. It looks pretty nice, doesn't it? It's got the chip inserted. It obviously has a piece of blue tape that I put over top of the name because that's private information. But here it is in all its glory. Basically, I will set up an account. I'll move over. I've already actually moved over some Bitcoin into the crypto wallet that's associated. It also has a USD wallet or fiat wallet, whichever currency you set it up in. And then you can, whenever it acts just like a prepaid Visa, so I would slide the card and it would instantly convert the crypto into fiat. Okay, so let's read this card from Crypto.com. It is my pleasure to present you with the MCO prepaid Visa card. You can activate and manage it through the Crypto.com app. Our 24/7 in-app live chat support will answer any questions you may have. The MCO prepaid Visa card is often the first step into a new and exciting world. We hope it also proves to be the first step for you to take back the control of your money, your data, your identity. It's, after all, a basic human right, and only blockchain technology can clearly deliver on that promise. A simple ask: if our product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing helps drive adoption better than real-world utility and a chat about it with a few good friends. Thank you for joining us on our journey. Chris, the co-founder and CEO of Crypto.com. Just as a side note, there is a referral link. I will add it into the description. If you click and sign up from the referral link, you will get an instant $50 once your account is approved. But we're going to dive into the rest of the app just as a quick overview and check it out and see what we think. So as you can see, I'm just going to launch it off of my desktop application shortcut. It launches into the home screen. It asks for my 6-digit PIN. Once you're logged into it, it will jump into the home screen, the home tab at the bottom. It will show you any of the favorites that you have set in your cryptocurrency. It'll show you your total balance in your account. You can click to the account tabs and you can see that I only have any money in the crypto wallet. I have the free Crypto.com currency, and I have my Bitcoin that I have transferred in 2 transfers into the account. So then let's jump to the card itself. If I hit the card tab, I can see the total balance. I don't have any purchases on this card yet, but that is to come very shortly. It will show your transaction history if you hit the transaction tab. And then we also can go and look at the actual card itself, and it shows that I have the blue card, and it shows my base currencies in USD. You can reset your PIN number there. And then we can go back to our home tab, and this is what it looks like. It is beautiful, it's sleek, it's intuitive. Again, there's my accounts tab and my fiat wallet, which is empty. From the fiat wallet, you can actually buy and sell cryptocurrency with your US dollar, so that's a huge plus in this thing. Alright, let's take a quick look at the website. This is the Crypto.com website. The best place to buy, sell, and pay with crypto, and it shows you where you can download the app either through the Google Play or through the iStore. Showing off the app, buy 80 plus coins at true cost, no fees, no markups. Here are the different type of cards. Metal Visa with up to 8% spending. If you get the free lowest reward blue card, it's not one of the metal cards, but it does have a metal-like finish. Earn deposit crypto, earn interest paid weekly in crypto. Credit deposit crypto, get an instant loan. That's pretty interesting. And to pay and be paid in crypto anywhere for free. DeFi, I'm not personally into DeFi, but this is DeFi swap and farm coins. DeFi wallet, your keys, your crypto. Let's go look at the cards real quick. Here are the different cards. Composite metal, obsidian. They have basically the variations between the different card colors, and the card rewards are CRO rewards that come back. See, this is a 5% back. Then you had the 8%. Then you had a 5% in the icy white. The Royal Indigo with 3%, 3% in the Jade Green, 2% in the Ruby Still, and this is the free 1% back in CRO Midnight Blue. And then each card will give you the specs if you scroll on down. There's the Spotify, the Netflix, Prime, Expedia. These are extra benefits that come with them. But I personally went with the free non-stake minimum card. And let's watch the video real quick on it.
Bitcoin, the best money we've ever had. With a different kind of money comes a different kind of card. A metal card, powered by crypto. Every time you spend, you get 3% back instantly. Want more? We've got that too. Paired with a powerful and secure app that lets you manage your digital assets in one place. Have an issue? Connect with a real person 24/7. Don't like fees? Neither do we. Oh, one more thing. How about these perks? The future is here. Reserve yours now.
Very nice little video. So that's basically the site. Everything it runs, all the wallets and everything are running only strictly out of the mobile site. You can't actually access it through the website. So it's all through the application rather that you either download onto your iPhone or to your Android device. So I think that's just a quick brief overview. I hope you got some value out of this. I hope maybe you'll look into it more. Don't take my word for it. I'm not a financial advisor, just a guy who likes crypto. So take a look in. If you like it, sign up. Use my referral code, gives me a little extra change, gives you a little extra change, and we'll go from there. Have a great day. Peace.